Hi everybody, my name is Vince and this is my baked salted cod dish. I really don't eat salted cod, or I don't eat that much of it. It takes a long time to prepare and I don't have the patience for that. But my family has a Bacala Night and they invited me to bring a dish, so this is my dish. I have some salted cod here. As you can see, it's a big old salted piece of dried fish. To get the salt out of it, you have to put it in water. I get a huge stainless steel bowl. I put the fish in it, fill it up with fresh water until I cover the fish, and I put it in the fridge. Apparently, my mom tells me I should just leave it on the counter, so I'm gonna take my mother's advice and just do it on the counter next time. My cat loves the cod. Look at her. My uncle comes over for band practice and he was giving me tips on how to take care of bacala. Here he's putting it in the fridge for me. He's a little awkward with it. Here's him telling me what he's doing for Bacala Night. Small strips of antipasto, he tells me. So I put it in the fridge Wednesday. And this is how it looks like Saturday morning. As you can see, the salt is kind of taken off. It has a different texture, but it's rather fresh. It looked a little wet to me, so I decided to pat it down with some paper towels. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to butcher this thing. I know I have the wrong knife for this, but I'm going to make do with what I have. So let's take a look. It's a basic structure of a fish, not a problem. Take off the fin there. I'm going to take off as much skin as I can. I'm going to clean it up as best as I can with the tools that I have. And this knife wasn't the best. I had to leave this piece of skin on, otherwise I destroyed too much meat, and I figured it'd be fine. I decided to cut the spine part as like steaks. I was thinking like salmon steaks almost. Came out very nice, actually. And with the sides of the fish that I got a few nice boneless fillets here. I doubled them so I can make them the same thickness as the steaks, as best as I can anyway. Sparky is going to guard them or eat them, I'm not sure. On to the topping. I have some nice raisins. I'm going to add a little water to it, and I had some nice scotch on hand. I'll add a little bit of that for some nice flavor. I'm going to set them aside for about 40 minutes. Here's some pimentos. It's not a commercial, it's just the ones that they had. But they were good ones. Nice and red. Here's the base of the cod topping, about a cup of breadcrumbs. Oh, I'd say almost a third of a cup of olive oil. Some salt and pepper. Not too much salt, eh? Some fresh parsley. And here are those raisins. They were a little big, so I decided to give them a rough chop. Ooh, raisins. And add them to the mixture. When you first stir it up, it seems dry, but keep going. I'll show you how moist it is with my hands. So here I have a baking sheet. I put some tinfoil down. I don't like cleaning that much. I put a little bit of cooking spray on it. I place the salted cod on the baking dish. I keep them spread apart so they'll cook evenly. And now for the coating. It's looking good already. The pimento adds just a little flavor and a great visual pop. I also had some nice fresh anchovies just to add that little burst of flavor here and there. Cover it lightly. Set the oven to 375. And in the oven it goes. I put it there for about 30 minutes. And here we are at my uncle's place and the unveiling. Everybody was so proud of me. Here's my uncle showing us some of his own creations. Sun-dried tomato and that, yummy. It's a big celebration for us, Bacala Night. We have great times. We have great surroundings. We have an elegant table. We make fancy antipastos. There's my uncle's dish. Fantastic. There's my mom's. That's my favorite. It's a cozy night. We get together and we talk about food, family, and fun. Oh yeah. Tables are ready to go. Here comes my nephew with his contribution. My uncle made some great veggie sides. And it's a great time. There's my baked bacala. Turns out it was a little too salty, but hey, live and learn. It's a great time. I hope you have a bacala night of your own. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.